Namaskar dear children. So as we are discussing the chapter number 5, cell chapter. Next today's our topic is cytoplasm. What is the cytoplasm? So first taking some point of this, what is the important point of this? The cytoplasm is that part of the protoplasm which surrounded the nucleus. Cytoplasm is a part of a protoplasm which surrounded by the nucleus. साइटोप्लाज्म is surrounded by the nucleus. साइटोप्लाज्म न्यूक्लियस से सराउंड होता है and it place between the, it occupies the space between the plasma membrane and the nuclear membrane. It is present between the space plasma membrane and nuclear membrane. As you everyone know, which have seen the diagram also, the center part present is nucleus, outer part is plasma membrane, cell membrane, and between the plasma membrane and the nucleus, cytoplasm is present. Next, cytoplasm contains many specializing living part of the cell. The cytoplasm containing many specializing living parts of the cells which performing the special function of the cell. This is known as the cell organelles. This is known as the cell organelle. Cytoplasm containing many specializing living part of the cell. This is called the cell organelles. Each of the cell organelles has a characteristic shape and specific function. Students, here is different type of cell organelles, and every cell organelles have a characteristic shape and specific function. So let's take a different cell organelles. I hope you clear about it. Cytoplasm is present between the nucleus and plasma membrane, and the cytoplasm contains many specializing living part of the cell. This is called cell organelle. Cell organelles have a characteristic shape and specific function. Everyone has a specific shape and specific function. Next is different type of cell organelles we have. So first cell organelles, let's start. The first cell organ is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. What is the endoplasmic reticulum? Right. So student, endoplasmic reticulum is a two type, RER and SER. Endoplasmic reticulum is a two type, RER and SER. What is the, इसकी short form में student ER लिखा जाता है. What we have write is short form में हम इसे क्या लिखते हैं, ER. So here is two type of ER, RER and SER. What is the meaning of the R here? Bearing ribosome. The meaning of the RER, that means it bearing a ribosomes, and SER without having ribosome. स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम पे राइबोसोम्स प्रेजेंस नहीं होते हैं. एब्सेंट इन प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल, प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल्स में एब्सेंस होते हैं. एंड ऑल सम प्लेसेस कम्युनिकेट्स विद द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन एंड गोल्जी कॉम्प्लेक्स. इसके अलावा ये कम्युनिकेट्स करते हैं प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन एंड गोल्जी कॉम्प्लेक्स से. सो फर्स्ट ऑर्गेनेल इज एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम and two types, RER, SER, bearing ribosomes, without having ribosomes, absent in prokaryotic cell. At some places the communicates with the plasma membrane and Golgi complex also. So let's take what is the function of the endoplasmic reticulum. What are the special function of the endoplasmic reticulum? First, everyone note down these points. So the next is the function of the endoplasmic reticulum. As we have seen that the endoplasmic reticulum is a two type, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So this is the diagram of the endoplasmic reticulum. ठीक है, it is the two type as you everyone know, SER and RER. So what is the first function of this? It is provide mechanical support to cell. It's provide provide a specific function and specific shape. So this is the shape of the endoplasmic reticulum. Center part is a nucleus, center में nucleus present होगा इसमें, and this is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and in rough endoplasmic reticulum ribosome present, and this is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, right? So it provide mechanical support to the cell, mechanical support provide करता है cell को. Intracellular transport, intra that means cell के बाहर भी transport करता है ये material को. SCR take part in the synthesis of lipid. RER have a ribosome attached to it is the for protein. It is useful for the synthesis of protein, and the SER takes part in the synthesis of lipid. SER is responsible for the synthesis of lipids. RER help in the synthesis and transport of protein transport of protein. It's a very important point, students. Again, everyone listen. Endoplasmic reticulum is a cell organelle which is have two types, SER and RER. SER is a part synthesis of lipid. This is responsible for synthesis of lipid, and it is responsible of the synthesis of the ribosome. इंट्रासेलुलर ट्रांसपोर्टिंग, सेल्स के बाहर भी ट्रांसपोर्टिंग करते हैं, मैकेनिकल सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करते हैं, मजबूती प्रोवाइड करते हैं सेल को. दिस इज द डायग्राम. न्यूक्लियस, राइबोसोम, सर्कुलर एंडोप्लाज्मिक, स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक. दिस इज द डायग्राम ऑफ द एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. तो एज वी आर डिस्कसिंग द सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स, सेल हैव मेनी सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स. So next cell organelles is Golgi complex. So student listen carefully everyone. This is the Golgi complex and another name of the Golgi body and Golgi apparatus. So first is next cell organelles we have Golgi complex, and the name is Golgi body and the Golgi apparatus. You can see the Golgi body and Golgi apparatus also. First of all, it is discovered by the Camillo Golgi. Who discovered this? It is discovered by the Camillo Golgi. Next is it occurred in only eukaryotic cells. Golgi complex present in only eukaryotic cell. It absent in all prokaryotic cell. It is absent in all prokaryotic cell. It present in only eukaryotic cell. Next is, this is the diagram of Golgi complex. Here is transition vesicles. Here is cisternae. Student, this is a very important term of this Golgi complex. Cisternae. This is the C. C-I-S-T-E-R-N-A-E. Cisternae. The meaning of the cisternae. What is the cisternae? Flattened. It is the intersect. एक दूसरे के ऊपर flattened यानी चपटा. Flattened sacs होते हैं एक के ऊपर एक. This is called the cisternae. Interconnected stakes of the flats. ये बिल्कुल flats sacs होते हैं, interconnected sacs होते हैं. This is called the cisternae. This is the diagram of your Golgi complex. Transition vesicles होते हैं. This is responsible for the storage. Now it is involved in the synthesis of cell wall, plasma membrane and lysosome. What is the function of the Golgi complex? It is involved in the synthesis of cell wall, plasma membrane and lysosome. So for which part of what is the main function of this lysosome? It is involved the synthesis of cell wall, plasma membrane and lysosome. Next is dictyosomes. Another name of the Golgi complex is also a dictyosomes. In plants, serve as transporting storage place for protein synthesis product. It's a very important word. Dictyosomes से in plants के अंदर सर्व करते हैं स्टोरेज को, टेम्परेरी स्टोरेज प्लेस को, प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस करते हैं. सो ये ट्रांसपोर्ट भी करते हैं, सर्व करते हैं, स्टोरेज प्लेस भी है, और ये प्रोटीन सिंथेसाइज भी करते हैं. सो दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स ऑफ द Golgi complex. First, Who discovered Golgi complex? Golgi complex discovered by the Camillo Golgi. Who discovered Golgi complex? Golgi complex discovered by the Camillo Golgi. Occurs in all eukaryotic cell. It is absent in prokaryotic cell. This is the diagram. Transition vesicles. Present it is cisternae. What is the cisternae? The interconnected stacks of flatted cells. ये चपटे सेक्स होती हैं जिन्हें सिस्टर्नी कहा जाता है. ये इन्वॉल्व करती हैं फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द सेल वॉल एंड प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन एंड लाइसोसोम. डिट्यूजोम्स इन प्लांट्स सर्व टेम्परेरी स्टोरेज का काम करते हैं, प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस का काम करते हैं. सो आई होप स्टूडेंट यू ऑल आर क्लियर both cell organelles. Both the cell organelles. First is endoplasmic reticulum and the second is Golgi complex. So first everyone note down in your notebook and detailed notes I will provide you. So the function of the endoplasmic reticulum and the Golgi complex. So student, this is the very important cell organelles. You have everyone note down in your register and the detailed notes I will provide in by the PDF.